In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book in Calendly even with Google Calendar 2025. First, open Calendly in your browser and sign in. From your dashboard, head to Integrations and Apps. This is where Calendly manages connections to outside tools. In the list, locate Google Calendar. Go into that option and choose Connected. You should see a confirmation that your Google Calendar is successfully linked to Calendly. That message simply means Calendly can read your availability and add events to your Google Calendar. Once you've seen that confirmation, return to your Calendly homepage. Now let's book the meeting. Select Book Meeting. You'll see your scheduling page with available dates. Click the date you want, then choose a time slot that works. Keep an eye on the time zone displayed on the page so you're scheduling at the correct time for you and your guest. On the left-hand side, you'll see the meeting details panel. Here, click Add Contact, enter the guest's name, then type their email address. Make sure the email is correct so the invitation and reminders arrive without issues. When you're prompted, click the highlighted confirmation option to proceed, then choose Save Contact. Saving the contact attaches your guest to this booking and ensures the calendar invite includes them. With your details in place, click Book Meeting to finalize. Calendly will create the event and show it on your scheduling page so you can quickly confirm everything looks right. Next, open your Google Calendar. Look for the newly created event on the date and time you selected. You should see it appear with the title and details you set in Calendly, and your guest will be listed on the invite. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment. Sync can take a short time depending on your connection, and then refresh your Google Calendar. A quick refresh usually pulls in the latest changes. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you manage more than one Google account, be sure you're viewing the same account that's connected to Calendly. Also, if your Google Calendar has multiple sub-calendars, confirm you're viewing the one that receives Calendly events. Finally, watch for confirmation emails from Calendly. They're a good sign everything is synced and your guest has been notified. That's it. Your Calendly meeting is booked and synced with Google Calendar. Follow these steps anytime you need to quickly schedule and confirm a meeting across both platforms.